Hey there, Donna Ashton here, and in this episode, I'm going to teach you how to make $2,000 a month with your online course. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to get weekly episodes on tips and strategies for creating and selling a profitable online course, and hit the bell if you want to be notified each Wednesday when our videos drop, so you can be right there to get your new tips and training. Okay, so let's talk about making $2,000 a month with your course. So I'm going to assume a few things here in that one, you have a course already created, and we are just going to use $500 as the price of the course for ease of math, because I will tell you, math is not my strong suit here. So if you have a course that's already done, you know it's a really good course, and it sells for $500, then even my little menial math brain can figure out that you have to sell 4 courses per month to make $2,000. So in this case, it's really not that much, right? We don't have to sell hundreds of courses or 30 courses or 20 courses. We have to sell 4 courses. So where do you find 4 people a month to, start getting this money in? Well, if you have an email list already, curated, or one that you're nurturing, then the first place you could do, is to go to your email list. Maybe once a month you have a promotion where you are, just talking about the benefits of the program. You could do what I call educational marketing, like a monthly webinar where you are discussing, the reasons why they need to get this big problem fixed and how your course is a solution, and just offer that your course is available by clicking here right now. So sort of an ongoing flow to your email list. If you do not have an email list, or maybe a really small email list and 40 people, you can't really keep promoting every month to the same 40 people, so you need to take it to social media. So if you have a Facebook following or an Instagram following, Pinterest following, LinkedIn following, whatever that is for you, then I would go to your go-to place. So if Facebook is your thing and you have a group, maybe with several hundred or several thousand people that you've been curating over there in a Facebook group, you could do something very similar where you're talking about your course. And to sell it ongoing, I would definitely recommend showing up in your group weekly, maybe several times a week, with some tips and ideas and then some benefits, and then maybe doing a special deal once in a while, or just keeping it at top of mind in your group. And you can do something similar to your Facebook page. However, it's not as engaging because everyone doesn't always see the posts on your page. So if you are relying on likes from a page, you're going to have to post a little more often, maybe do something special to bring people over to the page, or honestly, try to get them into your group where you can funnel them over there, and then you know who they are. You can see them members of the group. You can, post things. You can get responses, talk to people, and it's easier, and they will see when you post in the group versus on Facebook likes. The percentage of people who actually see your videos or your post is very small compared to the amount of people that are actually in it. So same thing with Instagram, whatever you've got going on over there, you can do a story, you can do your post. LinkedIn, same thing. You can do what you've already curated over there if you have a list of nurturers, and if you don't, you can see now how important it is to get things started so that you have this community, this tribe of people who like what you're doing and who are interested in your your course and your trainings. So if you don't have any of these things and you're basically kind of starting from scratch, then I would try to go out and find where your ideal clients are hanging out. So if you have moms who are looking to lose weight after they've had their baby, then I would try to find some Facebook groups for new moms. places where new moms are hanging out. Join the group, and you can't just come into the group and start promoting your course. It's going to take some time. You've got to become part of that group, because no one is going to want you just to come in there and start selling to them. That's icky stuff. We want it to be authentic, and you want to come from a place of service and helping people. So you might start answering some questions. If somebody's talking about, oh my gosh, I just wish I could fit into my pre-pregnancy clothes, or I can't quite zip these pants up yet, and start commenting and giving little tips and strategies for free. And people will start to notice that you keep commenting about the losing weight, or whatever topic it might be. And they're going to start to see that you're in there, and you could, if they allow promotion, maybe on Tuesdays people are allowed to promote something or whatever, then go ahead and you can promote your group, you can promote your course. Even better is to invite these people like on Facebook Messenger, and ask them if they are interested in joining your Facebook group. So that way you don't have to just go by the rules of someone else's group. You can bring them over to your own group and have a lot better nurturing, because you might be showing over there 3 or 4 times as the expert, and you can only do so much in those groups. But you have to find the people somewhere. So you have to start by going out and getting in front of what's already been created by someone else. But you need to do it in an authentic and respectful way, because nobody wants you to just come in there and start selling. So it takes a little time to get this going, and you don't have to go into 18 groups. Just pick 1 or 2 that seem to fit and seem to be the type that have enough people to. You don't want a group that has like 15 people in it. Look for those that have several thousand people in the group or up, because you want a large group. It doesn't have to be. It depends, of course. If it's a very engaged group that's very intimate, that has 500 people, then that's fine. But if it's one of those groups where there's just crickets and no one's ever like posting questions and nothing's happening, that's not really the type of group you're looking for. So it needs to either be really engaged, or it has to have enough people in the group to, that you've got people you can talk to, and that you're not just posting over there and getting crickets. So that is how you can go out and make $2,000 a month. Again, we're only looking for 4 people a month, and you posting on your own Facebook group, you asking for referrals to people. But I would recommend trying to build up your own list, your own Facebook group or LinkedIn community, or followers on Instagram or Pinterest, whatever that is, your own tribe, because that way you can control what you're doing and how much you're promoting and the way you do it, versus having to follow other people's rules. So there are a whole bunch of ways to get to $2,000 a month. Now, obviously, if your course sells for $200, you're going to have to sell more courses. And when I worked with clients, we determined, but I really like people to stay in that $300 to $500 range and up. Because of the value that you're bringing, because of the expertise that you're bringing, and because you're going to have to sell a whole lot more if you sell your course for $100, right? Then you've got to sell 20 courses to get to that 2,000. See, I didn't even use my calculator for that one. So, okay, so there are some great strategies on how to get to $2,000 in your course-based business and sell your course. So if you need more information on, well, I've got my course half started, or I'm not really sure if it's the right course, or I just want to know the strategies for putting one together, you can check below for my masterclass, where I give away my 6 steps to creating a profitable online course, one that will really sell. So if you want to check on that versus what you already have, or if you're just getting started and you need some help with how to do that, go ahead and link below. And if you'd like to talk with me on how to create marketing strategies and to really get some help with creating sales funnels and really bumping up revenue, if you're looking to create $5,000, $8,000, $10,000 a month, you can go ahead and apply for a complimentary session with me, and we can hop on the phone and I will talk you through to see if there's a way I can help you with your course and getting to that monthly revenue goal. Okay, until next time, I'll see you. Bye-bye.